in the top right, there's a big light bulb symbol in the top right. And if you just click on that, you'll notice that the opportunity that you added has been automatically added to that list.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And what I'd like you to do, I'm going to go to Lisa first. And I know it's a very vague example, but there are 4 opportunities there. With your people development hat on, could you just order them for me by just moving them? You can pick them up and just move them up and down in an order that you think is most important first. Lovely. And if you did want to add some detail to that, you could click on the pen and add whatever it is you wanted to, and it would appear for us. And Martin, given Lisa's had a go at that, could you pick one that you might have an alternative view as the business development director lead?
Okay.
Clearly you agree with everything that Lisa says because you're a nice guy, but just in case you had another idea, what could that idea be and why?
What, that isn't one of the 4 that are on there?
No, they're different order.
I've just reordered it. I put collaboration with it.
I noticed. I know you're so arsey about this. You're just moving stuff around with just. So you've gone against what Lisa thought. Why is that? What were you thinking?
Well, it was a good suggestion, I thought, from Lisa to put that in there. And I think, in terms of business growth opportunity, that's something we need to prioritise.